Alright, what's up guys? A couple of you guys were here in the wood. A couple of you guys asked for a little POV ride on the Eride Pro SR. So that's what we're going to do. Around the little woods, little trails. Kind of did my little video the other day. So that's what we're going to do. And brought my Huskies with me. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Got a little my Vans on. Got a little my Fast House stuff. Ooh, slippery. Oh. Mojo. Mojo. Come on, boys. Come on. It's a little wet out here. They're keeping it up. That's pretty cool. So this is the trail, you guys. This is where I was ripping the other day. Let's see where my dogs are. Good boy, Mojo. Looky. Come. Boys. Oh, they're like way back there.
You're going so fast though.
Much faster than Arnold. Alright guys, I just put in 1080p so that way we get a little bit more memory. And yeah, look at like, it's at 90% already of battery. So 1080p. That way we can rip it. I feel like one day I'm just gonna break this bike. I don't really, sorry, I like, when I ride, I guess I don't talk that much. I don't know why I get so nervous going over that thing. I know this trail pretty good from doing a bunch of laps the other day. Woo! Slippery. That's why I don't really like riding trails. I like riding tracks. But like I want to go fast. You know what I mean? You ain't going super fast on a trail. Whew, it's slippery. There we go. I will say, having this bike has helped me concentrate and get better on the 450. Dude, I would just be so mad if I messed that up. Oh, there we go. I'm only in sport mode. I feel like you can't even go race mode on the trails. It's just too fast. I think I have like sport mode set to like 65% power. Should have brought my gloves. I like grabbing handlebars better with gloves. Oh, rock, big rock. I just hit a branch. Woo! Oh, almost hit that. We're good. Oh, there's something in my eye. Whew. I don't remember this way that much, so we're gonna go a little bit slower. Or what? 89%? Pretty solid. I mean, I don't need to go like 100 miles. I just want to have some fun. Oh man. I think I'm gonna go to Breezewood, ride the bike tomorrow. It is a little wet. I do not like trails. They make me nervous, bro. Track, you can see it. But trail, man. Let's go race mode. Yeah, dude, race mode is insane. Like, it's literally insane, bro. Race mode is too fast for this track. Oh. I said track for this trail. All right, guys. Well, this is the Eride Pro SR, a little POV ride. I've been riding it a little bit. I think I gotta tighten this chain. So far, I love the bike. Pretty solid. How my hair's growing back. I shaved it like an idiot. But yeah, I like the bike, you guys. Yeah, I would highly recommend getting one if you have some trails or you don't want to, maybe like, I don't know, don't want like a full motor dirt bike. It's fun. Rip it around. It's pretty sick. So I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.